sa Ethics Review Committee when you submit your research for review. Then we have social responsibility. O yung mga future policemen of the country. Social responsibility, really daw eh? Kung saan may social responsibility, mga ganito? What is social responsibility? That is one of the good practice in conducting research. Kita mo sa mag-isuan sa ubos? When you say social responsibility, that is how we value and protect research participants. Kung saan man na siya pag-show ang pag-value, pag-protect sa participants na, ipunta nga ako ng Perry. So, that's Perry. Okay. P is protection of human dignity. Kung na kay participants, ayaw pakaulawi if they cannot answer right away the survey questionnaire. Nasa na sila yung digdigdag tawon. Paulang sa na sila. Kung kapagalit, takarap kung answer marang, uy, di ba ni Mako? Do not do that to your participants. They are the core of your study in terms of research and ethics. Number 2, sa manang imam. Participants are the end but not the means in conducting the research. So may pasabutan ng the end. Ayaw gamita ang imong participants para lang makastudy ka. Gamita ang imong participants because you are aiming for the benefit of the participants. Kasabot mo na difference? Diba mo na the end does not justify the means, pero sa ethics, it doesn't follow. Ang pamahagi sa pag-collect sa data, ang means, imong ibinuhangan imong participants, dili niya po na madawat sa ethics committee. It doesn't justify the end. Ang imong pamahagi means. That's E. Then we have R. What is R? Respect for the participants. Ganahan mo kung may participants, singhag-singhag ako sa researcher. Uy, di ko na nag-answer niya. Uy, nag-uuli na ako, gaulan. Bakit mo? Do you like that? No. As a researcher, you must show respect to your participants. Aside from that, you have to inform. Nag-aisad sila ang idea. Uy, kinira ba akong questionnaire? Maabot ng 20 ka minutos. Or maabot na siya 15 minutes to answer. Can you spare a little of your time? Kaya kung wala ka nag-inform, syempre, haphazard din dahil ang pag-answer. No? So you have, in that way, you can show respect. Then last, you have the E again. Isa man ang E na po na. Equal to you as a researcher. Ayaw i-treat ang imong researcher, ayaw participants inferior than you are because you are the researcher. Hindi na pwede sa ethics, ha? Uy, di na sila, sa dila na sila kainitan, basta makomplito na nag-answer. Remember, what if magkabaylo mo spiakan ng place, ikaw na po inuon ng participants, siya na po yung researcher, ganahan kainan kay ginana. Wala na sa may editan, ay, tagamit na nato silang token, kalain, no? You should treat them as an equal person of who you are as a researcher. Then we have the last one, human protection. So sa human protection, there are a lot of things to consider. Number 1, respect for person, ibalik sa nako. So in respect for person, you have to emphasize consent. Sabi ng consent, pagpanahin. Kaya kung wala tayo panahin, pareha ka na ng, uy, nangsa ka, uy, namuyap na din ka na ako, uy ka na, namuyap din ka na ako. How do this person know what are your intentions? Kaya you don't inform. That is, sana asking consent, right? Kung saan na pagkaibaw, participant tayo sila. Nagsuwat na yung answer dito, siya kaliputan, nagsige nagpaputan. You have to inform that they are part of your research so that you will not be misunderstood. No, takaan ko siya kung tanong sa kaya buyo na ako, no? Ang sinigibog ko siya na ako. Ang pangundahan na in relation to the research. Then we have the word beneficence versus non-maleficence. Are you familiar? Sige, very good kayo ng nursing. Si maestra doon. Very good pagkatulog. Sige, go.
So in our nursing ethics, we learned that in giving care to our patients, we have the beneficence and non-beneficence. So basically, beneficence means do good, and non-beneficence means do no harm. So in doing research as well, the same way caring for patients, we have to do good to the research participants by considering them the end and not the means. And for non-beneficence, we have to protect their rights, we have to advocate for them, we have to ensure their privacy.